Rich Mill Series RM8. Revolution of ISO milling process, RM8. RM8 is spacing tool using 8 cutting edge with double-sided insert. It is very economical comparing to existing face milling insert. Double-sided insert that has high rake angle materializes positive cutting edge on insert pocket of cutter, and it contributes smooth cutting. Excellent surface finish of machine surface can be brought from the convex minor cutting edge, connected from the nose R of insert. Insert of RM8 has curved chip pocket for better chip flow that is beneficial for cutting. Internal coolant system materializes effective cooling and chip discharging. Chip breaker is categorized into MA for aluminum, MF for light cutting, MM for wide use, and cutting edge shape is optimized for each material. Wide process is available with cutter applied various pitches and insert of chip breaker on Corloy Rich Mill Series RM8. RM8 can be used on small size machine or low horsepower machine due to its light weight. Revolution of ISO milling process, RM8. It is a milling tool actualizing our client's dream.